family dog breeds of 2023. These are the 11 best breeds of adorable dogs for owners with young children, including the loving Labrador Retriever. These breeds of pup are known to get on practical well with youngsters, making them the family friendly dog choice. The huge number of us decided to welcome new puppies into our homes over the last 2 years. According to Kennel Club figures, dog owners soared and post lockdown demand for four legged friends remain high. There are whopping 221 breeds of pedigree dogs to choose from alongside numerous crossbreeds. So there is plenty of thinking to do before you select your family's latest addition of dog. There is seven academic guidance to seek out with psychologist Stanley Coren's book The Intelligence of Dogs, ranking breeds by instincts, obedience, and the ability to adapt. Choosing the right breed is absolutely essential. For example, opting for a small dog if you don't have much room at home, or a hypoallergenic dog if you suffer from allergies. Another thing to take into account is that certain breeds are far more suitable for young families. According to American Kennel Club, are the dog breeds that you should op- be at the top of your wish list if you have children. Number one, Labrador Retriever. Not content with just being the most popular dog in the United Kingdom, the Labrador Retriever is also the most child friendly thanks to their friendly, loving, and outgoing nature. Number two, Beagle. A more compact size family hound, Beagles tend to get on very well with children and love to play. Number three is the family dog. Number four, Golden Retriever. Another gun dog famed for its placid nature, intelligence, and good humor. The Golden Retriever is a perfect family pouch. Number 5, French Bulldog, the second most popular dog in the UK. The French Bulldog is also one of the best for families. They are playful, smart, cuddly, adaptable, and don't need a huge amount of exercise. Number 6, Brussels Griffon, ideal for families with less room at home. The Brussels Griffon is a small child friendly breed with a great sense of humor and happy to live in a flat. Number 7, Collie. They may be best known for herding sheep, but collies are equally good at dealing with children. Strong and loyal, they are also full of energy, so are a good choice for an outdoorsy active family. Number 8, Bulldog. They may sometimes look a little grumpy due to their distinctive wrinkles, but the adaptable Bulldog calm and relaxed nature make it a perfect choice for families with young children. Number 9, Irish Setter. The noble looking Irish Setter is an outgoing and sweet natured breed that loves big long walks and plenty of cuddles. Number 10, Newfoundland. With its combination of loyalty, intelligence, and sweet nature, the Newfoundland is a great family dog. They may be huge, but they are also gentle and protective of children. Number 11, Pug, are known to have a special affinity with children and are likely to become best buddies with the youngest member of the family. Within a wag of a tail, they are eager to please, easy to train, and very loving. These are the 11 dog breeds for your family you can buy in 2023. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share with your family and friends.